Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Bwine F7GIM 6K photo drone. I've looked through the internet, checked user feedback, drone community discussions, and real-world impressions, and I'm going to break down whether this drone is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right away, the biggest selling point is definitely the feature list for the price. You get a 3-axis brushless gimbal, which is important because it helps stabilize footage much better than cheaper drones that rely only on electronic stabilization. Combined with 4K per 30 frames per second video support, the drone is capable of capturing smooth and decent-looking footage for travel videos, outdoor shots, and casual content creation. The advertised 6K photo capability sounds impressive on paper, although realistically, most users will care more about video quality and sensor performance rather than the raw megapixel number. The GPS smart control system is another major advantage for beginners. Features like automatic return to home, follow mode, waypoint flight, and stable hovering make the drone much easier and safer to fly compared to basic entry-level drones without GPS. According to user feedback, the hovering stability is actually pretty decent in open outdoor conditions, which is important for smoother footage and beginner confidence. One of the most attractive parts of this package is the claimed 70 minutes of flight time. That number is usually combined across multiple included batteries rather than a single flight, but it still gives you significantly more total flying time than many budget drones. For casual users, this means less waiting and more actual flying during trips or outdoor sessions. The 10,000 feet FPV digital transmission also sounds impressive, and while real-world range always depends on interference, weather, and regulations, users generally report solid connection stability for normal recreational flying distances. The included TOF safety support and obstacle-related assistance features also help make the drone feel more beginner-friendly. Now let's talk about the limitations, because there are definitely some important ones. First, while the drone offers many premium-style features, image quality still does not match higher-end DJI drones. In good lighting, footage looks solid for the price, but dynamic range, low-light performance, and overall sharpness are still more mid-range than professional level. Wind resistance is another area where budget drones often struggle. While the stabilization system helps, lighter drones like this can become less stable in stronger wind conditions compared to more expensive professional models. Another thing to keep in mind is app experience and software polish. Based on user discussions, drones in this category sometimes have less refined apps and occasional connectivity quirks compared to premium brands. It's usually fine for casual use, but it may not feel as seamless as flagship drone ecosystems. Build quality is decent for the price, but again, this is not a professional-grade drone built for heavy commercial use. It's mainly targeted at hobbyists, travelers, and beginners who want strong features without spending a fortune. After looking through everything, here's my conclusion. If you want a feature-packed, beginner-friendly drone with stabilized 4K video, long total flight time, GPS safety features, and good value for the money, then yes, the Bwine F7GIM is worth considering. Especially for casual creators and first-time drone buyers, it offers a lot without entering expensive premium pricing territory. Overall, this is a strong, mid-range recreational drone that focuses on giving users premium-style features at a more affordable price, and for most casual users, that balance makes it very appealing.